And we're now getting some breaking news. US bans beard in army. Sikh groups now upset with this move. No beard, no turban push in US army from now. US ignoring history of Sikh valor is the question. Akalis SGPC oppose the anti-Sikh diktat. BJP also condemns the turban and beard ban in the US army. BJP says that new US policy is discriminatory against Sikhs. So that's the reaction from the BJP. The SGPC and Shiromani Akali Dal have also condemned the diktat of no turban and no beard in US army. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining us with more details on this. Shreya, what prompted the US government to take this step to ban beard and turban in the US army?
Well, you know, this is a more unified decision that's coming from the US, something that probably was, discussed and then decided. However, given the fact that the contribution of the Sikh in the global diaspora is concerned, this has definitely triggered the angst within the Sikh bodies. That includes the SPGC, as you rightly pointed it out. And apart from that, we're also right now seeing the BJP also jump the gun. We're seeing RP Singh, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who's issued this tweet condemning the cancellation of the religious waiver on Sikh turbans, calling out that the valor of the Sikh community is being ignored by the US, and he's also requested the SPGC Amritsar to actually take it up with the US ambassador to India. So in days to come, we might just see this entire incident broil into a controversy, with everyone and including all Sikh bodies more so ever taking actually offense of this particular thing that has happened in the US.
All right, Shreya, thank you for getting us those details.